Hey everyone, what if I told you you could build a fully functional website, create mobile apps, generate dashboards, business documents, AI videos, and even design PowerPoint presentations, all without writing a single line of code? It only takes a few minutes to complete the production of the website. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to MetaGPT, a revolutionary AI platform that works just like a real software team. Yep, you'll be working alongside a team leader, product manager, engineer, architect, and even a data analyst, all powered by AI and available 24/7. Whether you're building a personal project or launching a startup, MetaGPT makes it unbelievably easy to bring your ideas to life in minutes. So get ready, because we're starting from scratch and I'm going to show you step by step how to create a complete website and then explore everything else MetaGPT can do. Let's go ahead and create a website. Here's the prompt I'm going to give MetaGPT. Create a clean, responsive website with a home page, shop section for product listings, pricing section with subscription or product pricing plans, contact us form, and about us section. Use a modern layout with easy navigation, clear headings, and mobile-friendly design. Now, before we begin, you'll also notice there are different AI models available for selection, such as DeepSeek, GPT-4, Claude 3.7 Sonnet, and even Claude 4 Sonnet Beta. Choose the one you prefer for your project, hit enter, and now we're ready to go. After submitting the prompt, you'll instantly see the AI team spring into action. Mike, your virtual team leader, starts by analyzing the prompt. Then he hands it over to Alex, the AI engineer, who immediately begins building the project. Within seconds, you'll see the code being generated in real time. Everything is structured, professional, and completely handled by the AI. You don't need to touch a thing, just give it a few minutes, and boom. Congratulations, your website is ready. It's honestly mind-blowing how fast and efficient this platform is. Now at the top of the screen, you can click the preview button to open the site in full window mode. You'll see all the sections we asked for, homepage, shop, pricing, contact, and about us, all laid out beautifully. Everything is designed with a modern, professional look, and it's fully responsive. And when you're satisfied, just hit the deploy button, and your website goes live. It's that simple. You can also switch to mobile view to see exactly how your site looks on smartphones and tablets. But that's just the beginning. MetaGPT isn't limited to websites. You can use this same AI-powered process to create mobile apps, games, blogs, shops, dashboards, and more. Now, let me show you how easy it is to create a dashboard, something that usually takes hours, if not days, of manual development. Simply click on the dashboard option in MetaGPT. Just like before, your virtual team jumps into action. Mike, the team leader, takes the lead and passes the task over to Alex, the engineer. Within moments, your fully functional dashboard is generated. This dashboard comes complete with key data metrics like total revenue, number of new users, engagement rate, and conversion rate. A clean, modern layout navigation tabs like overview, analytics, reports, and settings. This feels like something straight out of a SaaS platform. But the best part? It's 100% automated. No coding, no design work, no setup required. So whether you're building a website, app, dashboard, game, blog, or business document, MetaGPT empowers you to do it faster, smarter, and easier than ever before. Thanks to its intelligent multi-agent system, it feels like you're working with a full team of professionals, but you're doing it all on your own. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more awesome AI tools and tutorials. Let me know in the comments what you'll create first with MetaGPT. Until next time, stay creative and stay tech savvy.